Here's how to make the text bigger on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted in the entire iPhone to have bigger text or just in specific apps, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first option is to do it across the entire iPhone. So let's do that. Let's head into these settings here. And from the settings, you can see under general is accessibility. Let's just tap on that. And now from here, you're just going to choose display and text size midway down. And on here, you can see larger text. I can tap on that, the second option, and bump this up. And this basically increases the text size across the entire iPhone. You can see if I go into anything, my messages, anywhere else, it will have really big text. However, another cool factor or option you have is to increase that text size in one specific app that you're maybe having issues with. To do that, we're going to swipe down from the top right and then press and hold towards the bottom here. Press and hold towards the bottom and then tap on Add Control. Now from here, all you need to do is hit search and we're going to search for text size and tap on it. Now let's tap anywhere outside of that to get out of that screen, and you'll be able to see here's that text size. Now, a cool thing is you can open up messages, for instance, and swipe down from the top right, and then press and hold on this text size. Now, from here, you can choose messages only, so this will adjust the text size only in your messages, but not the other apps, and you can bump this up to whatever you want. Let's say I want 160%. And now you can see everything is really big on this app. But then if I go into another app like Facebook or anything like that, all of the text size is the exact same as it was before. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.